Just a little vlog on my C63. It's been about a week since it's been started, so it's gonna be a raw. Let's take it off trickle charge. Let's put my flashlight on. It's fully charged. Nice spider webs. Right, are we ready? C is 89766 on the clock. All standard, no modification, all standard. I was thinking about decatting it, putting a, what's the other exhaust called? I can't even remember now. The one with the remote fob. Yeah, she sounds good, standard, doesn't she? It's my mate's Spain registered left-hand drive Seat Leon. Pretty much rust free, as you can imagine. Not a shitty UK one. This is where she lives during the winter. To be honest, all season. Just pull it out when I need it. So yeah, sounds good, right? No revving on a cold engine. I don't do stuff like that.